Welcome to the lecture on Engineering Statistics and Linear Algebra. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about how to find the expectation, covariance and correlation of the bivariate random variables. So first one is bivariate expectation. So let g of x comma y be a function of the random variable capital X and capital Y. So the expected value in case of the continuous random variable is given by the expectation of g of xy is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, g of x comma y into f of x comma y dx dy. Call it as equation number 1. So by the definition of correlation of x and y is the expected value of the product of x and y, that is the expectation of xy will be equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, the random variables x into y with the function f of x comma y dx dy. So next is the joint moments of capital X and capital Y. So that is the n plus a kth order of joint moment m n k about the origin for a random variable capital X and capital Y is defined as m is equal to the value of m at nk will be given by expectation of x power n y power k is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x power n y power k with a function f of x comma y into dx dy. So it follows that for example, if I replace k is equal to 0 in this equation, so I'll get the value of m at n0 will be equal to expectation of x power n will be equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x power n f of x comma y dx dy, or integration minus infinity to plus infinity x power n will be equal to into integration of minus infinity to plus infinity f of x comma y into dy into dx. And we know that this is a formula for f of x, that is marginal PDF with respect to x. So I can replace this one as f of x here. So I got the value of m at n comma 0 will be equal to expectation of x power n will be equal to integration of minus infinity to plus infinity x power n f of x dx. So to estimate the value of expectation of the random variable x, we have to use this general formula. Similarly, we can estimate the value of m0k, that is by replacing the value of n is equal to 0 we can easily estimate the value of m0k, so that we can estimate the value of expectation of y power k values we can estimate there. So next one is the first order. For example, if n is equal to 1, so I can easily estimate the value of expectation of x. So it will be equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x into f of x comma y dx dy. So by applying the marginal probability density function formula for x, so that is integration minus infinity to plus infinity, x I am taking outside. So integration minus infinity to plus infinity f of x comma y dy into dx. So I can replace this as f of x comma y. So I got the equation like expectation of x is equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. Similarly, I can estimate the value of e of y also. Like I can call that m of 1 comma 0 will be equal to expectation of x. It will be equal to mu x. And m of 0 comma 1 will be equal to expectation of y. It will be equal to mu y. And this expectation of x, expectation of y will be called as means of x and y respectively. So to find the value of expectations or to find the value of means, we have to use these formulas. So next one is similarly for second order. So if I want to estimate the value of x, expectation of x square and expectation of y square, so I can replace n is equal to 2 or k is equal to 2. I can estimate the value of e of x square and e of y square. So this will be called as mean of squared values of x and y. So these formulas we have to use to estimate the mean of squared values of x and y respectively. Similarly, I want to estimate the value of M11. I mean expectation of xy I want to estimate, or also the correlation of xy value I want to estimate. So for that I want to use this formula. So in the main formula I am going to replace n is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. So I can estimate expectation of xy will be equal to integration minus infinity to plus infinity, integration minus infinity to plus infinity, xy f of xy dx dy. So this will be called as an rank correlation coefficient, or only the correlation of x and y I can use here. So where this r xy stands for correlation of x and y, as I told, and this x and y are said to be uncorrelated. So this x and y are said to be uncorrelated with this condition. So if e of x into e of y we got, it means we can call it as an uncorrelated, and also this x and y will be independent here. So if x and y are independent, then the expectation of xy will be equal to expectation of x into expectation of y, will get it. And this expectation of xy, or the correlation of x and xy, will be equal to 0. When means if x and y are orthogonal to each other. So if I multiply x and y together, if the value is 0, obviously the value of the expectation or the correlation will be equal to 0. So if x and y are orthogonal, then expectation or correlation of the random variables x and y will be equal to 0. So next is covariance of x and y. So the covariance of x and y is denoted by COV of xy or sigma xy, and is defined by covariance of xy is equal to expectation of x minus mu x. So where this mu x stands for mean of the random variable x into y minus mu y, or it is nothing but mu y is nothing but the mean of the random variable y. So now I am going to expand the equation there. So by multiplying x minus mu x with y minus mu y, so I got the equation like this: expectation of xy minus x into mu y minus y into mu x plus mu x mu y. So by simplifying the equations, I got expectation of xy minus, so I am applying the expectation for the entire equation. So I got expectation of xy. By taking mu y outside, I got expectation of x. By taking mu x outside, I got expectation of y plus mu x mu y. So, I can replace this expectation of x is mu x and expectation of y is mu y. So it will be equal to mu x mu y, mu x mu y. I can cancel this mu x mu y with 1 plus mu x mu y. So the value will be equal to, so I can write like covariance of xy will be equal to expectation of xy minus mu y, or I can replace this mu y as e of y and e of x. So finally I can replace the formula for covariance of xy will be equal to expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. I can use it. So now if either x or y as 0 mean, then the covariance of xy will be equal to expectation of xy, or covariance of xy will be equal to the correlation of xy. So now if covariance of xy will be equal to 0, when means if x and y are said to be uncorrelated. So if it is uncorrelated, or if x and y are independent random variables, so I can treat the covariance of xy also 0. So now next one is if x and y are independent. So as I told that, so if x and y are independent also, then we can say it is an uncorrelated coefficient. Like how means, so proof, so let x and y be independent random variables. That is the correlation of x and y, or the expectation of x and y will be equal to the double integration of xy f of x comma y dx dy. I can take it, or I can since x and y are independent here, I can replace this f of x comma y is f of x into f of y. So I got this equation. So the double integration xy f of x f of y dx dy, I got it. On splitting this one, I got integration of x into f of x dx, integration of y into f of y dy. So it will be equal to mu x mu y, or e of x e of y. I can write it. So hence I can conclude that this x and y are uncorrelated here. So next is correlation of x and y. The correlation of x and y is denoted by rho xy, and is defined by rho xy is equal to covariance of x and y divided by sigma x and sigma y. So where this sigma x and sigma y is nothing but standard deviation of the x series and standard deviation of the y series. So now we'll see how to expand this correlation equation. So since we have the covariance of x and y in terms of expectation of x minus mu x, y minus mu y, I'm going to replace this equation number 2 in the equation number 1. So I got the equation like expectation of x minus mu x, y minus mu y divided by sigma x into sigma y. On splitting this one, I got correlation of xy will be equal to expectation of x minus mu x by sigma x, y minus mu y by sigma y. I got it. So now bivariate or two variable transformation. The bivariate random variable x and y are transformed into u and v with linear transformation like this. So I'm going to use u is equal to ax plus by and v is equal to cx plus dy. So I'm representing the random variables u and v in terms of the two bivariate random variables capital and capital Y in terms of equation number 1 and equation number 2 here. So now if I want to find the mean of this u and v, I can write the formula like this. Mu u of u is equal to a into mu x plus b into mu y, and mu v is equal to c into mu x plus d into mu y. So this is a formula for u and v after the transformation from the bivariate random variables. So next is the variance of u can be calculated as follows. So we know that the variance formula is given by sigma square. So sigma u square I'm going to calculate. So it is given by expectation of u minus mu u whole square. See, since we know the formula for u here, u is given by ax plus by, mu u is given by a into mu x plus b into mu y. I am going to replace both the values in the equation here. So I got like the formula like expectation of ax plus by minus a mu x minus b mu y whole square. So on simplifying this, so I got the equation like a into, so by taking common factor here, a into x minus mu x plus b into y minus mu y whole square. I am going to expand this equation by using a plus b whole square formula. So I will treat this one as a, this one as b. I'm going to expand it. So I'll get expectation of a square x minus mu x whole square plus 2ab x minus mu x y minus mu y plus b square y minus mu y whole square. Since we know that this x minus mu x and y minus mu y is nothing but covariance of x and y, I'm going to replace that. So I got sigma u square is equal to a square sigma x square, u square into sigma x square, since u is given by plus 2ab into covariance of x comma y. So I'm going to replace this one as sigma x square and keeping a square as it is only, and this one as b square I'm keeping as it is. This one is sigma y square. So I got this is a formula for sigma u square. I can use it. Similarly, I can find sigma v square also. It will be equal to c square sigma x square plus 2cd covariance of xy plus d square sigma y square. So this can be estimated from the formula for mean of v as well as the transformation v. So from this formula, these two formulas, I estimated the value of variance of v. So next is covariance of uv also I can estimate. So covariance of uv is given by expectation of u minus mu u, v minus mu v. So since u is given by ax plus by, mean is given by mu u is given by a into mu x plus b into mu y, and v is given by cx plus dy, mu v is given by cmx plus dmy. So I'm going to incorporate all these data in this equation. So I got covariance of uv is equal to expectation of ax plus by minus a times of mu x minus b times of mu y into cx plus dy minus c mu x minus d mu y. I got it. So on grouping all the terms, I got expectation of a into x minus mu x plus b into y minus mu y and into c times of x minus mu x plus d into y minus mu y. I got it. So I can replace this one as sigma x, sigma y, sigma x, sigma y. I got the equation like a into sigma x plus b sigma y into c sigma x plus d sigma y. So on multiplying this entire equation, so I got ac sigma x square, ad sigma x sigma y plus bc sigma x sigma y plus bd sigma y square. So from this I can take sigma x sigma y common factor, and sigma x sigma y is nothing but covariance of x and y. So I got the equation like covariance of uv will be equal to ac sigma x square plus AD plus BT covariance of XY plus BD sigma y square, I can write it. So in the next lecture, I'm going to discuss few problems related to the expectation, covariance and correlation, and also about the bivariate transformations. Thank you.